recording.
Alright, it's me again. I'm back. So yeah, I clicked off and I said I was going to sign or just wait and do another video somewhere by Foothills Parkway, but I started climbing this mountain and I'm like, traffic's light. You guys might want to see Smokie Mountains with a little traffic. So I probably just jinxed myself by turning the camera back on, because now I'll be in traffic all the way to freaking Gatlinburg. But we'll see. You can see from the debris in the road that we had just terrible storms last night. But as long as all that traffic is headed to Cherokee, it's happy fun time. When the people get down to the field that's full of elk, they are going to be glad they came. I did not see any bucks though. But look, I've had the camera on now for 1 minute. And I caught two groups of bicyclists. Or one group. At least they're not on bicycles. Nothing worse than getting behind people on bicycles in the mountains. Yada. That'd be a fun car up here. Not that she'll ever experience that. A lot of traffic going the other direction. There's a lot of traffic going the other direction. Oof. The fog's just at the top of the mountains right now. Riding up here, the fog was just above my head. Every now and then I'd come through spots where the fog was just clogging up my face shield, but it wasn't enough fog to get me soaking wet. But it's beautiful up here right now. It's going to be a gorgeous day. Just a gorgeous day. Google weather had a big old sunshine on it. I said, yep. Yep, another perfect Wednesday. The only thing missing about this Wednesday is you're not here with me. So if you're in my neighborhood and you want to go for a ride, reach out. Hit me up in the comments below or on my personal email, Mikey@ridewnc.com. Mikey@ridewnc.com, and that's MIKEE. Just like my username on this channel. I will be happy to ride with you. Well, I need to rephrase that. If you're on a Harley, I'm not riding with you. Don't reach out to me if you're coming to the mountains on a Harley. A Harley cannot do the speed limit up here. And Mikey is not waiting for you. Leave your Harley at home. Bring your Honda. That was a nasty patch of gravel we just went through. Something to be aware of after a storm. It takes about a day for the cars to move the gravel off the road once it's rained hard up here. There's been a lot of washouts on this road today. But we're on the downhill spiral headed to Gatlinburg right now. And you have about 2 more minutes before I click off. It's a puppy! Here's a tunnel. Yeah, traffic has been pleasant today. Look at that old Toyota camper. Wow, I can't believe that's still on the road. That was like a, I don't know, like a 1987 or 88 Toyota. Before they put the Tacoma on the end of their name. It was just a Toyota pickup. There's Juan and Julio going to their drywall job. And there's our SUV. Alright, it's 9:18 in the morning, and I'm gonna say, hey, it's good talking to y'all again. This is my second video. Hit that thumbs up button if you like what you see. Please don't ever hit the thumbs down for any content providers. It's just rude. That thumbs down is just bad. But hey, thanks. If you want to ride, reach out. Thanks for watching.